Aloha and welcome to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Orange, brought to you by After School All Stars Hawaii. I'm Coach Paka, and today we'll be making peach and orange Daydream smoothie. Now we're going to go over our ingredients and supplies that we'll be needing to make our peach orange Daydream smoothie. We're going to need milk, orange juice, peaches, instant pudding, ice. Now we're going to go over our supplies. Cutting board to cut on, a knife, a bowl to mix, a whisk, a spatula, our measuring cup, and of course our blender. Okay, first we're going to mix our pudding so we can let it get hard on the side. Put a pudding packet. We're going to measure out 2 cups of milk. Now we're going to slowly pour and whisk at the same time. In about 10 seconds, we'll be done mixing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. We'll set this aside. Next, we're going to cut our peaches. Now let's talk a little bit about knife safety, because we don't want to be looking like this. Alright? So we're going to tuck our fingers in, hold our knife straight, and slice down. We're going to make a continuous circle right around until we come to the other end. Then we're going to twist, open. Same thing, hold. Now we're going to cube it. Open our blender. Put the cubes inside. Same thing, tuck and cut. Okay, now we're going to get our orange juice. We're going to pour 3/4 of a cup. It's 3/4. Pour that in. Bit of ice. A 1/2 cup of ice. We get pudding. Gonna put about a cup of pudding. All right. Now we're going to blend. Okay, we're almost done blending. Oh, it smells good. Yes. This is really good. Educational facts. Peach's botanical name is Prunus persica, which refers to as Persia, which in today's times is present Iran. Milk, which is filled with vitamin D, which our body needs. Thank you for joining me on this episode of how to make a peaches and orange daydream smoothie. Also, I would like you to post a picture in a comment and let us know how your smoothie turned out. Until next time, y'all come back now.